Selling soon? Here's how to get every dollar you deserve. Hi, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty, your local real estate expert here in Central Oregon. Selling your home is a major financial move, and I'm here to help you make the most of it. Let's go over a few essential tips that can boost your return and keep you from leaving money on the table. First up, make a great first impression. When buyers walk through your door, you want them to picture themselves living there and to fall in love with the space instantly. Here's how to do it. Number 1, declutter and depersonalize. Remove personal items like family photos and create a clean, neutral canvas. Let buyers envision their own lives in the space, not yours. Number 2, tackle repairs and maintenance. Fix any visible issues like leaky faucets, chipped paint, or squeaky doors. A well-maintained home not only looks better, but also justifies a higher price. Getting these repairs done before the listing prevents buyers from negotiating costly repairs or credits later. Number 3, boost curb appeal. First impressions start before they even walk in the door. Invest in landscaping and give the exterior a fresh power wash so buyers are impressed from the moment they arrive. Number 4, set the right price. Pricing is key. You don't want to overshoot or undershoot. Working with an experienced agent helps you set the perfect price based on current market conditions. Ready to maximize your sale and to make the most of your investment? I'm here to guide you through every step, ensuring you don't leave any money on the table. Reach out. Let's make your sale a success. Give me a call today. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty.